An AI-powered note-taking application for Android serves as a sophisticated tool for capturing and managing information through a conversational interface. By leveraging advanced natural language processing, this application allows users to create notes effortlessly, simply by typing or speaking their thoughts. The intelligent assistant embedded within the app can understand context, making it easier for users to express their ideas without needing to follow strict formatting rules. One of the standout features of such an application is its voice-to-text capability, which enables users to dictate notes hands-free. This is especially beneficial for those who are on the go or prefer speaking over typing. The app can also transcribe and organize these spoken notes into coherent entries, ensuring that critical information is not lost or forgotten. Furthermore, this type of application can be integrated with other tools, such as calendars or task managers, to enhance productivity. By providing a central hub for all notes and tasks, it helps users streamline their workflow, whether they are students managing coursework or professionals handling projects.